Hello guys, welcome to our next video. Today we will learn about MongoDB read operations. The table of contents are understanding find and findOne, use filters and query operators, apply projection to limit output, and last is read data using shell and compass. First is find versus findOne. Our first method is find. Now what will it do? It returns a cursor to all documents that match the query. The command is db.products.find parenthesis bracket. Let's try this. I am clicking on this local and then products. I am opening the shell. Okay, so the command is already here. We just have to click on enter. It is showing two documents. First is for Dell laptop and second is for HP laptop. Our second command is db.products.findOne name laptop. Let's try this. db.products.findOne parenthesis bracket curly braces name colon. I will find HP laptop. Let's hit on enter. Yeah, I got the result of HP laptop. And if I delete anything from the name, it will not show the data and data null. Now what does a findOne do? It returns only the first document that matches the query. findOne is useful when you only want a single match, like login lookup by ID. These are the filters which will work in shell to give the relevant data. Like basic filters is db.products.find, and on the basis of category electronics it will show us the data. And second is comparison operators. Now this will compare the prices, and on basis of the price it will show the relevant data. And third is logical operators. It will find the data basis of logic, like if category is electronics or the price is larger than 2000, then it will give us the data in and not in. In and not in. In this method, if electronics or accessories, anything will be found in the document, it will show us the data. Second is projections, show specific fields only. Now this will show us only the data with name, price and ID. Let's try this. I will copy this command and paste it in this shell like this. It is only showing the name and price in the data. Now our next topic is querying nested fields. The command is this: db.users.find. In base of this address.city Delhi, we will get our data. Like this, in response we are getting this Alice and Alice1 data. MongoDB lets you filter by deeply nested fields using dot notation. Works even inside arrays using elem match, $elem match. Now is sorting and limiting and skipping. So in sort, 1 equals to ascending and -1 equals to descending. Let's do this. db.products.find yeah, like this we got the data. Limit results. Now currently I am having only 2 documents basis on the products, so this will show the data, but basically it is used that if such let's assume I am having 10 documents, so it will show only the first 5 and the last 5 it will hide. Next is skip for paging nation. Now I am not having documents higher than 5, so it hides all the document and returned none in the response. Next is reading data in MongoDB Compass. For this we have to open the Compass and choose collection. Enter filter in the query bar. Let's do this. I am closing this and click on products. This is our query bar. We have to write here category : accessories. So I am not having this accessories. I will write electronics category. No. Accessories, also electronics. And click on find. No results. The second is use projection tab. Let's see this. And open this. Paste. And click on find. So it will show data when the name is 1 and if price is 1. So currently I am not having that. That's why it is showing us no data. Now what will it help? Easily copy queries to use in code later. Explore documents visually and learn schema patterns. Pro tips: avoid find without filters in large collection. It can slow the performance. Use indexes coming up in a later video for optimized reads. Combine filter plus projection plus sort for powerful queries. So this is our today's session. Thank you guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.